What's going on, guys? It's your boy Jude, aka JLouTheTrucker here, and I'm back again rolling another one at you. Coming at you from Home Depot here in Edwardsville, Illinois. Bad news that my refrigerator stopped working, so I'm here to see if I can exchange it for a new one. And this is more to the story. I had a battle with Home Depot customer service online, so I'll get to that in a bit. And I'm gonna clean it out, see if I can exchange it, and I'll get back with you guys. Alright guys, we made it to Regions Food Bank to donate the rest of this product here. So we're finna go see, I'm checking in the receiver office here. I'm gonna drive dry goods side and see what they want to do. Alright guys, coming up the stairs.
One hour later.
Let's try it again.
One eternity later.
Alright, and give these people a call.
Regional Food Bank, this is Jack.
Hey Jack, my name is Jude. I'm a driver for Prime Inc. I'm here to donate some products.
Yes, sir.
I'm out here
Are
at the...
Are you?
Yes, I'm at the receiving door, but there's nobody
here.
here.
On the southwest side, you need to ring the buzzer.
Yes, nobody's here
And if
to answer.
they usually, okay, they go to lunch from 12 to 12:30.
Okay then. All right, I'll check in about 30 minutes then.
Yeah, just come back up, ring that buzzer, and they'll let you in and give you a door. Is this a refrigerated product?
No, it's dry.
It's dry?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the dry is you go around the west end of the building to the dry docks over there. And there's a door on that side as well. But he'll be gone to lunch till 12:30.
I literally just told him I'm already here. I don't know why he's explaining it to me. Okay, so no problem. Thank you.
All right, buddy. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Well, guys, looks like we're going to be waiting for about a half hour. I guess they went to lunch. It's like 12 o'clock. So, I'm going to do what I do best. Play video games. I'll see you guys when I see you guys. All right, guys. It's 1 billion degrees out here. I'm about to try to ring the doorbell again. Oh, never mind. How you doing, sir?
Good, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. I'm here to donate some products.
Okay. If you wouldn't mind just getting this door, we'll get it taken care of.
Yeah, no problem, thank you.
Let me give you a sheet. You come in real quick. I'll give you a sheet. If you wouldn't mind start filling it out for me.
No problem. My company was also wondering if you can make it build to Welch's.
Yeah, so if you want to fill out your stuff right there.
Okay.
And that's where it'll be
Gotcha, okay, no problem.
sent to.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
And you said this door 35 right here?
Yes, sir.
All right. Oh, that was fast. That's done over here. Let me slide my tandem because it looks like every other trailer here has their tandem sled. Why not? Start my BMW up. Slide the tandems. going on, guys? I think it's about the next day or the day after I made that last clip. I got the fridge. I got it here in the Home Depot near Oklahoma City. Funny story. I was doing a repower because I guess somebody's truck broke down. I guess it was like a contract outside of Prime, like SBT, whatever that truck company name is. So, and ironically, it was the same load I pulled about 4 or 5 days ago out of Northeast Pennsylvania, like grape jelly and all this other good stuff. So, right, I get to the 90 yesterday. I'm getting unloaded. I've been there all night, so I'm still on detention pay right now, and I'm at a truck stop. So I called claims because there's like 48 cases that they're refused, or it says, I don't know. It says refused, but they put it back on the truck. It doesn't really make. No, I'm sorry. It says 48 cases short, but they put it back on the truck, which doesn't really make sense to me. So contacted claims. I've been waiting ever since. They just told me to take it to a food bank somewhere here in Oklahoma. So about to get ready to pull off of that. But yeah, I got my fridge. I don't know if I said the story, but I called the Home Depot customer service line. They told me that unfortunately we can't get you can't return the exchange the fridge or return it. But I'm like, it doesn't really make sense because you can walk into any store and if something doesn't satisfy you, you should be able to return it and get your money back or get a replacement. So they tell me I have to go through the manufacturer to get one shipped to me. And I'm like, I'm a truck driver. That's not possible. So I'm like, well, why can't I just go to the store and get a new one? So I got frustrated. I hung up the phone on them. I took it to the nearest Home Depot store. I took my old one back, got my money back, and I bought another one. So from now on, and also, I think the Home Depot protection plan is a scam because that doesn't make sense. I shouldn't be able to get my money back or get it exchanged. So I took it in, gave them my order number from when I bought it back home. Got a brand new one. Win-win for me. But anyway, yeah, so I just cleaned off the floors and everything, and I'm about to clean my bed and tidy it up. And then I'm gonna get ready to head out. So we're gonna see where this food bank is at. Actually, let me start getting it set up with the GPS.